Well guys, it's been 2 weeks since my last construction update for Flash Vertical Velocity, so let's head inside and see how much progress they made. All this and more coming up next on PA&J Thrills. So also since my last construction update, Kingda Ka and Superman have now opened for the 2024 season, as well as the park has done a little bit of work since my last update, including installing this statue of a lion, I guess for the park's 50th anniversary, so kind of cool. Also, they're starting to install some bricks, so let's go ahead over to the Dream Street pathway and check that out. So they're already starting to install the bricks. I'm trying to see if I can find mine on here somewhere. Oh, I found it.
I caught you 2 weeks ago. What is it?
Great ride there on El Toro, and while we're walking over to Kingda Ka, this is the new way to get back here. Apparently this uses part of the original Rolling Thunder queue, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, let's head to Kingda Ka. First ride of the season there on Ka, and a dueling ride with Zuma Joe, so a great start to the season. Let's head to Superman, and then let's go ahead and check out Flash. So they moved the park boundary over here with the wall. They're still working on the decal for Green Lantern, so that has yet to open for the season. Hopefully they fix Superman maybe next season because he's looking a little faded, but yep, let's go take a ride. First ride of the season there on Superman. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, let's head to Flash. Also managed to take a first ride of the season there on Twister. Really good. The restraints are a little hard, but supposedly make sure you get on this ride because it may not have much longer here at Six Flags Great Adventure. And these Husk top spins are a kind of dying breed. So it looks like I'm moving quite along here. Not a ton of progress. Looks like right there they put up the electrical box for the lawns. giant wheel is starting to look very, very nice. Currently, it looks like they're doing some work on painting it, but amazing. Yeah, starting to look a little bit more fresh. This great adventure gets ready to get closer to the 50th anniversary. So hopefully in the next upcoming weeks we actually see track and sports arrive on site and the assembling process. Especially if they want to target a Memorial Day opening. They did say summer 2024, so I imagine probably Memorial Day. Who knows? Unfortunately, the Skyway buckets and obviously the Ferris wheel are not open, so we won't be able to get a high elevated view again this week. But hopefully next week Skyline or Skyride is open. So apparently this week there's more track and supports over there. We'll have to see when we go up into the station, but we could also see a red support right over there. A couple more supports.
All of you enjoy your ride on Nitro. Goodbye.
Yeah. But there are things you got dragged over the eggs, and there are things that would be able to hear. But there could be things that like are more feminine that a man could do. Not making it necessarily, but it would make it more feminine. You know, like it's not really good. If you have like a man had like very feminine manners, that could make it.
So more track and supports, and I don't know if you can see that one big red support. That might be, I think that is for the tower, where the spikes are. Great ride there on Jersey Devil. That was actually the first ride I got on it for the 2024 season. Last time I was here it was just a little bit too long for my liking, so I decided to skip out on that. Let's head down to Medusa. Great Adventure has installed this really cool timeline that pretty much wraps around the entire building. I don't know if they finished installing it. Look, there's Batman, Robin the Chiller. Looks like they're probably going to do a little bit more this week. But yeah, very cool. So as we walk down here, we can see Great Adventure starting to remove some of the trough, I guess to redo it for sawmill log flume. So, lots of progress. I do believe Safari Off-Road Adventures did open this year, but it seems like it's not running today. So hopefully next time I'm able to get on this. I actually had never done this before, and from what I've seen, it's kind of cool. I really like Kilimanjaro safaris at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and supposedly this is a much longer version of that, so should be exciting. So because Safari Off-Road Adventures is not open, and it also seems Best of the West is not open, but at least we get some good views of the construction going on for Sawmill Log Flume. Hopefully for our next construction update, Runaway Mine Train is also open.
Next can stab the guy. Whoops, gotta go.
Accelerate the distribution of the laughing gas throughout the city with a large explosion. We need to...
And could have done a little bit better, but shooting attractions aren't really my best. And well guys, that's going to do it from this week's Flash Vertical Velocity Construction Update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Hopefully in the next upcoming weeks we actually see some tracking support start to go vertical. That would be really great to see. But yeah, there's a lot of track. When you're on Nitro, I'll tell you, from the lift hill all the way down to where the drop is, oh my god, so much track. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button and stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PA&J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.